Welcome to the World Go channel. I'm your host and Go evangelist, James Story. Today's lesson 5.1 is on fighting common shapes. We're going to show you the tiger's mouth, the bamboo joint, and the partial bamboo joint. These three stones that are on the board right here and right now are called the tiger's mouth, and just like if you go to the zoo, jump over the fence, jump into the tiger's mouth, you get eaten. So that's why it's called the tiger's mouth, because black can simply capture any white stone that tries to separate those stones. If white, instead of poking into the tiger's mouth, if they peep into it, black can simply connect. And 99 times out of 100, this is what black wants to do. They want to keep these stones connected. Notice if they let white peep and then poke into the tiger's mouth, black has two cutting points. So that's going to be a little bit of a weakness that black probably doesn't want to have. And the best thing to do when white peeps into it is to simply connect. The next shape is called a bamboo joint. If you've ever played around with the bamboo, you'll know that it's easy to break on the fibrous parts, but where the two kind of pieces joint together, it's just hard as a rock. It really is. So you can see that black can connect here or connect here. So when white plays one, black can simply play the other. They don't even have to capture to connect. They're already connected. All right, so white's going to leave this alone, and perhaps a co-fight develops. Black takes the co, white plays here. Black decides they want to maintain this bamboo joint. They would play there and connect, and then white would get to retake the co. However, if black says, "Ooh, I really need to connect this co," and they connect it, then white can play on the second connection point, and they're going to separate these four black stones. Of course, you know, the next move by black is probably an Atari right there. But look, when white extends out, they have 1, 2, 3 liberties, so that's going to be a hard group to surround and capture, while black has two weaknesses, two cutting points right here. So that is the bamboo joint. Now the partial bamboo joint is like the bamboo joint, except it's missing one of the stones. Black, of course, you know, can solidly connect right there, so anything that any white play besides that lets black connect. If white plays here, black can simply connect. So white has to poke into in between those two stones. Black has two options then. One is to create a ladder, Atari, here, 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 etc. But the other and probably better strategy is for black, when white pokes between the stones, is simply for black to Atari it from this side, and now when white extends out, black can solidly make the connection. It can connect with a tiger's mouth or perhaps even a mouse shape. If sometimes white will play this, and that allows black to capture, but notice that if white gets to here, then this is not a real eye. And in some local situations, that's exactly what white wants to do. But usually, big scheme of things, this still allows black to connect. Anyway, those are the three shapes: the tiger's mouth, the bamboo joint, and the partial bamboo joint. Thanks for watching the World Go channel.